It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2017-2018 Upper Deck Series 1 Hockey Mega Box. This contains an exclusive Parkhurst 3-card rookie bonus pack inside. There's your odds. Of course, this is a retail product. I picked this up online for $20, which you can't really beat that. There are some decent young guns in here, which is what we're really looking for. We've got Nico Hischier, Alex DeBrincat, Tage Thompson is probably the hottest one, and Charlie McAvoy are all in Series 1. All quality. We're going to get a total of 8 packs in here. Or 12 packs, I'm sorry, 12 packs. And our bonus pack. There we go. Stack this up, a little upper deck action here today. And let's start off with our Parkhurst bonus pack. Of course, we have Austin Matthews on the packs and on the box. And we've got, there we go, Nico Hischier. There's a Tyson Jost and a Philip Hedl. There are different variations of these, different colors. Those don't tend to carry too much value if you're looking at what you can get for them on the secondary market. So we've got Victor Arvidsson, Freddie Anderson, Hampus Lindholm, Mark-Edouard Vlasic, Brett Pesce, Sergei Bobrovsky, Eric Stahl, and Torrey Krug. So all base in that one there. We got Brandon Sutter, Brent Seabrook, Lee Stempniak, Darren Helm, and we've got a Shining Stars red of Big Jeff Carter, Austin Matthews, Jonathan Huby Doobie Dooberdo, and Troy Stetcher. Card Raquel, Arturi Lehkonen, Colton Sevier, an upper deck canvas of Shea Weber. That's a really cool picture. Max Domi, Riley Shahan, Cam Ward, and Kalle Jarnkrok. Blake Como, Tobias Reeder, Ian Cole, Jeff Petrie, got our first young gun, and it is Alex Nylander. He recently, this year, he played in his first NHL game with the Pittsburgh Penguins, who he's now with. Actually scored a goal recently. So for me, that's a cool one to get. Leo Komarov, Corey Perry, and Michael Bodker. Jack Eichel, Michael Matheson, Michael Frolik. We've got a portrait of Dr. Dre. Patrick Laine, Scott Wilson, Nikolai Kulemin, Zdeno Chara. Jay Beagle, Andre Palat, Jason Demers, Sven Berchi, Nick Holden, David Savard, Joe Thornton, and Brandon Carlo. Little base there. Clark MacArthur, Alex Goligoski, Taylor Hall, Rick Nash. We've got a Shining Star, Mark Scheifele-Teifel, Mitch Marner, Braden Holtby, and Patrick Berglund. Generally don't buy a lot of retail products unless I find them on sale. Like I did this guy here, just because they just don't usually have as much stuff in them. Matthew Perreault, Phil Kessel, Josh Bailey, Tuukka Rask. There's a canvas of Mark-Edouard Vlasic. Nick Schmaltz, Andrew Shaw, and Mike Hoffman. Matt Martin, Braden McNabb, Kyle Brodziak. Here's an Upper Deck portrait of Gino. Matt Tkachuk, Patrick Maroon, Kyle Turris, and Drake Caggiula. Michael Grabner, Brandon Dubinsky, Jake Guentzel, Brad Marchand, and another young gun here. We've got Rasmus Anderson, Jason Zucker, Anthony Beauvillier, and Shea Weber. Series 1 checklist. Here's Pekka Rinne and Matt Murray, Henrik Sedin, Dustin Brown, Shining Stars of Jeff Skinner, Antoine Roussel, Troy Brouwer, Kevin Fiala, and Luke Glendening. Jacob Chikrin, Peter Mrazek, Teuvo Teravainen, and we've got our third young gun is going to be Ivan Barbashev. And we got Braden McNabb, and Marc-Andre Fleury, Jacob Markstrom, Jonathan Quick, and Jacob Voracek. There you have it. That is a mega box of 17-18 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.